What's happening, everybody? Welcome to another episode of On the Docks. My name's Jack, and over here we have my beautiful fiance, Rona.
Hey guys, welcome on the Docks.
So today I'm gonna do a video about the best instrument, the best guitar to have when you live on a boat or maybe even a van. The best boat life, van life guitar that you could possibly have. And I think I found it. And it is what I believe to be the Little Martin by Martin Co. Guitars. Check this out. Rona is making us dinner here, and in one pot we have delicious mung bean soup, and in the other pot we have questionable small fish.
They call it poot poot.
Poot poot.
That's the name of the fish in the Philippines, so that's my favorite small fish.
I don't know if I'll be poot pooting that in my mouth tonight. Alright, so here is said guitar, the Little Martin in its gig bag. Nice gig bag, feels very padded and nice, like it's gonna keep it safe for sure. So I just bought this and haven't even opened it yet. So this is like an unboxing, unbagging video too. So here it is when you get your Little Martin. I think if you get it delivered, it comes in a box, but I bought it from the store, so I think they like tune it a little bit and stuff. But brand new. Zipper sounds really cool. Opening, and there she is. The Little Martin LX1E, because it does have electronics on it, which I thought was pretty nifty. And the controls are like secretly hidden in the hole here. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I picked this guitar because after doing a little bit of research, what I really wanted was a guitar that was small, like, because we are very short on space in the boat and in the van and going back and forth all the time. And I love to have a guitar around, but I was carrying around my big normal Dreadnought acoustic guitar that was pretty much in the way everywhere. And this thing is small. Like, it's like, for definitely like a kid could play this one and it would be like a normal sized guitar on a kid. So it's a small guitar, but we like that because it fits everywhere and it's easy to carry around, and you can even sit like in the driver's seat of the car and play, and you still have room. I mean, it's barely bigger than a ukulele, so we like that. We also like that it's made out of like super durable materials, like high pressure laminates on the sides. The neck is like some sort of like, I think they call it Stratabond, but it's like a bunch of wood glued together and makes it like super durable. You'll feel it if you pick one up. The neck is super heavy and durable. You know, on the boat things get wet, on the van things get banged around, and this thing I think supposedly is going to hold up pretty well through all that. My old acoustic was looking pretty battered at this point. The top is all wood, it's like a spruce, so it sounds nice. It's also got really nice tuners up here. I believe them to be of higher quality, though I'm not an expert. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, the fretboard is some sort of composite material. It's all made of like stuff that's gonna last a long time. The top is wood though, so I think that's what gives it a nice sound. Also, I probably should have mentioned this, the price of this guitar, still on here, $449, 450 bucks for this guitar, and you know, it seems pretty high quality to me compared to some other things that you'd find around $400. I think this is like, it feels Martin-esque to me, so I like it. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little play for you. I'm gonna tune it real quick. I cannot tune by ear, so I'll be using a tuning app. Well, I'm assuming it's out of tune. Let's see. Actually sounds like pretty good. They must tune it a little bit before they give it to me. That's it. It was pretty much in tune, actually, so not too bad. All right, let's hear it. That sounds really good, actually. It's pretty loud for being so small. I'm using like a hard pick, so that helps. But that sounds really nice. It feels like a real guitar. It does not feel like a toy, you know. Yeah, I like it. So anyway, I think that's about it, guys. Don't want to make this too long of a video, so I think the guitar sounds good. It feels good. It feels solid. It's gonna hold up in moisture and getting tossed around and carried around from place to place, and you know, I'm probably not gonna treat it super nicely, to be honest. I like to use the stuff I have, so yeah, that's it. The Little Martin LX1E. Thanks for watching. 'Cause I'm lonely now, and I'm finally starting to see that I still miss her now, my one and only. And I still miss her now, my one and only. And if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. See you guys next time on the docks.
Come here, Buang. Come here, Buang. Try the fish. Open your mouth. That's the head.
The brain's in there?
Thanks for watching, guys. Buang, come
Get it?
here.
You're gonna do it close, like the fish is gonna be like, try practice one. Like turn the fish like so it's like a fish, yeah, like that. Yeah, like real close like this. Be like, Okay.